Welcome to Eric Blackmon Music. Hi, and welcome to my tutorial. In this lesson I'm going to show you how I play an easy B.B. King style one riff blues, including the chords. The guitar is tuned standard E-A-D-G-B-E, so let's get right to it. Here's the riff we'll be playing. And we'll play it that way every time, except we'll change one note every now and then. Instead of ending on a C sharp, we'll end on a C. So sometimes we'll play it this way. And I'll explain why in a little bit. Here's how we're going to play that riff. We're starting here at fret 8 on the high E string, and you slide to fret 7 after you've played the note, like this. Then we'll move to fret 5, and then we'll go to the B string, fret 7, and end on fret 5 on the high E. So here's that again. Then we'll move to the B string and do that slide again from fret 8 to fret 7, down to fret 5, fret 7 on the G string, and then we'll play fret 5 on the G string and hammer on to fret 6, like that. So the entire riff is and as I said before, sometimes we'll play it this way. Now what we're going to do is play that riff and play chords in between the riffs. Here's the 3 chords we'll play. Now that first chord is an A7 suspended 2. But we're subbing for an A ninth, which is this. So we're going to call it an A ninth, just for short, okay? So that's the chord we're playing. In order to play that, we're going to hold down the D string at fret 5, the G string at fret 4, the B string at fret 5, and the high E at fret 5. Our next chord is going to be subbing for a D ninth, which is this, but we'll play it this way. We're taking out the low note. So that's really an A minor 7 flat 5. We'll raise that by 2 frets, and that's a G minor 7 flat 5, but we're going to call that an E ninth, which is like that. Now we played that chord by barring the G, B, and high E at fret 5, and we're going to put a finger on the D string at fret 4. So that's our D ninth. We're going to raise that 2 frets and call it E ninth. So we're going to play the riff this way and then throw in the chords like this. Then we'll play the riff again and move to D ninth and play right there. So it's then we'll go back to our original riff . We'll do the riff again, then move to our E ninth. The one with our flat third, and then our D ninth. Go back to our riff for the last time. Our major third, and then we'll do this. So we did a D sharp ninth to an E ninth. And then we'll start the entire process over again. So here's the entire thing. Alright, now let's hook up a backing track and let's play along with it to see what it sounds like. Now we're playing this in the key of A major, which is A, D, and E. If we want to change it to another key, we simply move it to that key. If we're playing for A, if we wanted to play it in the key of G, we just go . We want to go up the neck. Now we're in the key of B. The key of B flat. So you see, we can play the very same thing anywhere on the neck to get any key that we'd like to play it in. Well, alright my friends, that's how I play an easy B.B. King style one riff blues, including the chords. There's a link in the description that'll take you to the backing track that I was using in this video so that you can practice along with it. Well, alright, that's it for now. Thanks for stopping by, and have a great day.